Hello guys, welcome to my this video. And in this video just it will not be any technical video, but here I will show you how you can get your UAN number. Because guys, if you join a new company and so there sometime they asked UAN number. I mean, if you joined as a experience and in your previous company there was the PF system, so obviously you have a UN number. Okay, so in your new company they will ask your previous UN number because they will transfer your PF. Okay, so but you don't know what is your UN number, so in this video I will just show you how you can find your UAN number. And this is very simple guys. Just you have to be open your browser, and there you have to be open a new tab, and just you have to be type EPFO India. Okay, so this one you can you can check this one, EPFO India. And otherwise I will provide the link of this site in my description also, so you can go to my description and you can just click the link and you will directly redirect to the web page. Okay, so this is the site actually, so you can go like this way, otherwise you can check my description, so there I will provide the link of this one. Okay, so you have to be click this one, Employees Provident Fund Organization. So just you have to be click this one, and after that it will be open this site. Okay, sometime for the server problem it will take some time. Okay, but otherwise you will get this site. Okay, and you have to be close this pop-up, so I will close this one. And here you will in the first step you will get services. Okay, so sometime just time to time it's changes. Sometime before it was written our services, now it's only services. So now here you will get a option that is for employees, so you have to be click this option for employees, and after that just you have to be scroll down, and here you will get services. Okay, so guys, just think you have to be remember, you have to be check here services. Sometime this box will be in a second when they will update his website, but just you have to be follow the process. You have to be get services, and after that here you will find member UN online service. Okay, you have to be click this one. Okay, so again I'm saying sometime this option now it's in second, but sometime after updating this site maybe this option you will get at the last. So that's why you have to be remember the option is member UN slash online service, this option. So I will click this option, and after that here you can see in the right side UN password. So if you don't know your UN number, okay, so that time what you will do, so now you will scroll down, and here you can see know your UAN number. So you have to be click this one, and after that here it will ask your mobile number. Okay, so now here you can fill any mobile number. It's not that you have to be fill your registered mobile number, you can fill anyone's mobile number, but in that mobile number it will send a OTP. Just you have to be get the OTP. Okay, and you have to fill it, but here you can put any mobile number. I'm saying again. Okay, so now here I will put my mobile number because I need the OTP, otherwise I can put any other's mobile number. So now here I will put my mobile number. Okay, and after that here you can see it's asking a captcha, so you have to be fill this captcha. Okay, and request OTP, you have to be click here. So now it's showing OTP sent successfully to my this number. I will click OK, and I will get a OTP in this number. So now I have to be just fill the OTP and captcha again. So I haven't received the OTP yet. So I received my OTP. So in a message you will get two things, one is one time password and one is OTP ID. So remember here you have to be filled one time password, not OTP ID. Okay, so here in this OTP section just you have to fill one time password. So remember it, when you will receive the message, so that time you will get two things. Okay, so now here I already filled the captcha also. So now here I will click this validate OTP. So here it's showing enter captcha is invalid, so I fill the wrong captcha, so I will fill it again. This one again I will click, let's see. So please enter a valid OTP value. Okay, by mistake I filled the wrong OTP, so I have to fill the valid OTP again. Okay, So again I will enter the captcha. Okay, now you can see OTP validation successful. So I will click here. Okay, now here notice here carefully, just you have to be fill your proper name. Okay, now you cannot mistake your spelling, okay, of your name, because if you miss your misspelling in your of your name, so you will not show your UAN number. And date of birth you also have to be fill, and I will suggest here just check your Aadhaar or PAN card number which date of birth and name on there. So obviously at the time to register your UN number in your previous company, so obviously the same name in your as per your Aadhaar or PAN card number they will take. Okay, so now here just I will click this one. I will choose the date of birth, and the thing is here you will get three option: Aadhaar, PAN and member ID. So if you haven't forget your UN number, so that time obviously you have forget your Aadhaar, I mean which one already taken at the time to create your UN number. So I think also you have also forgotten this one. So that time click once first of all Aadhaar, and now here just write your Aadhaar card number. And if you haven't if you didn't get any UN number, so then click PAN number and choose PAN number. I mean write your PAN number again and try to find again. So as per my Aadhaar I will show you. Okay, so if you do the same thing, if you don't find as per your I mean you don't find your UN number as per your Aadhaar card, so click the PAN button. Here you will you will get the PAN button, so click here and write your PAN number and check it. And if you if you don't find like Aadhaar and PAN basis, so that means you don't have any UN number. Okay, so now here I will put my Aadhaar card number, this one, and again I have to fill the captcha, this one, and now show my UN. So here you can see it's showing my UN number. Okay, so now you can same way you can find, and after showing this one you can copy your UN number and you can store in your I mean you can store it. Okay, otherwise you can find again when you will forget this one, you can find the same way. Otherwise you can store your UN number or this one. So you can find like this way, and I find by my Aadhaar based on my Aadhaar card. But suppose in your case when you have registered your UN number in your previous company or anywhere, and so that time you were not getting your UN number based on your Aadhaar card, so you can click here PAN button. Beside this Aadhaar card you will get the PAN button also, so you can click there and put your PAN number. Obviously you will get your UN number, and if you are not getting based on PAN and Aadhaar, so that means you don't have any UN number. Okay, so now I hope it's clear, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video and you can subscribe my channel also for getting more update.